Okay, so for 53, you were looking for all the zeros of each function, or all of the solutions of these functions. So for 53, you will notice that this is x cubed minus 27. This is a difference of cubes, which means you first need to factor it, which is what you just did in numbers 51 and 52 of your review packet. So in this problem, the cube root of x cubed is x, and the cube root of negative 27 is, or 27 is 3. So x and 3 are the two things you're going to be using to put into your formula for the difference of cubes. So to do that, you're going to do x minus 3 using those two cube roots that you have. Actually, I'm going to just write this little note over here. The cube root of x cubed is equal to x, and the cube root of 27 is equal to 3. So now that you have that, again, you're going to put it into your formula, x minus 3, always the same sign as your problem. And then you're going to square x, opposite sign of what you started with. You're going to multiply the two things by each other, 3x. And then you always have a plus sign, and you're squaring the last number, which is 3, so 3 squared is 9. Now you already have 1, 0. 1, 0 is going to be the opposite of negative 3, which is 3. Okay, so now you are going to find the other two solutions by using the quadratic formula, because if you notice that this is a quadratic equation. So, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. In this case, a equals 1, b equals 3, and c equals 9. So, negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a. Simplify that. You get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 36 over 2. 9 minus 36 is 27, so you get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 27 over 2. Now all you have to do is pull out the negative sign from the radical, and you're left with negative 3 plus or minus I root 27 over 2. And you can actually leave your answer like that. Those are your two solutions, negative 3 plus I root 27 over 2, and negative 3 minus I root 27 over 2. So you're going to write that as part of your answer, negative 3 plus or minus I root 27 over 2, and those are your three zeros for this difference of cubes.